In this video, we are going to be creating a beautiful colorful pattern using Python turtle module. Don't worry if you're a beginner, I'll explain every single line of code step by step. By the end of this video, you understand how turtle graphic work, how color changes smoothly, and how simple math can create a basic design. Let's get started. Hello everyone, I am Princess Julia Nnalwe and welcome to my YouTube channel. And if you do not understand anything, kindly write it out in the comment section. First, we import what we need. The first line imports everything from the turtle module. Turtle allows us to draw the screen using simple commands like forward, turning, and even circle. To learn more about turtle, go on Google and type out turtle GUI Python. It will bring out. Then you go ahead and read out the resources. Now let's continue. Then the second line, import color. This module helps us to work with color using something called HSV color system, which makes smooth color easier translation much more easier to RGB. Then we go to the line 4, which is the speed line. Here we set the turtle speed to 0. 0 means the maximum speed so that the drawing happens as fast as possible. This is useful when we are drawing many shapes and do not want the animation to feel slow. The line 5, the hue value. Now we store the hue in a variable called hue. Variables are containers in Python. If you want to learn more about container, if you want to learn more about variables, comment variable and I'll make videos on it. Now hue represents the color wheel, which values go from 100 to 1. As we slowly increase the value, the colors will smoothly change, giving us the rainbow effect. Now the background color, we set the background color to be red here. Here we set the background color of the drawing window to red. This gives the contrast so that the colorful shape we draw will stand out clearly. Now the loop line. For I in range 130, the loop will start to run 130 times. That is, everything will be repeated 130 times. Every repetition one part of the drawing, one part of the design, and together they form a beautiful pattern, a full pattern. Now let's go to the color creation. We store the color XYZ again in another variable called colors. There we then move to the hue equals to 0.05, 04 or 0.5. This line converts the hue value to an RGB color that turtle understand. The 1,1 represents full saturation for making brightness and making the color even vibrant. After that, we slightly increase the hue value. The tiny change in what creates the smooth color transition from one step to the next. The fill up line will begin to fill. Here we tell the turtle what color to use the filling shape. Begin fill class tells turtle to start remembering the shape we're about to draw so it can fill it with colors. Now let's move to the line, to the arc. The line draws the part of the circle. The number 149 is the radius and 90 means turtle only draws a quarter of the circle, not the full thing. Using partial circle help us create a petal-like shape instead of simple circles. Now the LT is, in this line rotate the turtle in left. Each turn slightly changes direction of the next drawing. This is what spreads through the pattern outward and create a flower-like symmetry. The second arc, here we draw another circle, quarter circle, because we already rotated the turtle. The arc appear in new direction, completely one petal flower. Finally the dawn, it keeps the turtle window open and so we can admire the final artwork. And that is it. With just loops and color, the simple turtle command will create a stunning visual pattern. If you enjoy the tutorial like this, subscribe and let me know what turtle design you want to learn next. And if you can pay attention to the video, you will know that we were playing around with colors. I changed the background from red to black. Yes, you can play around with color in your code. See you next time. Bye.